Quite a cool thing to show you today. This is an ILC 6.7 fully inflatable craft built by MST in the UK up in Liverpool, and we've been using it to test a new system of ours, which is a sort of fully modular electric drive system. So there's a console which has got the battery in it, steering, throttle, one set of cables back to the electric RAD 40 drive on the back, so we can fit it on any boat that's got, you know, flat deck and the space. So we've had it on a few different types of inflatable boat, doing really well. Let me sort of jump on and show you. So you've got the standard RAD 40 on the back. The cables easily just run anywhere on the deck. You can attach them, secure them, and then connect onto this box, which has got tie down points. We can either strap it in, or we can bolt it down, or you can have quick release fasteners for it. You've got standard RAD steering setup, sort of height adjustable. I'm fairly short, so it fits me, but it will go up for much taller people. And the way this is configured, you can turn the steering unit around. So in this setup, you know, operator at the back, people sitting on the front, sitting on the tubes. But it is possible to turn this unit around, put it on the front, and then you can sit and drive like a more conventional kind of console. So super low hassle way to build up an electric boat. Everything comes in one package, put it on your boat and go. So yeah, had a lot of fun with this one today. Absolutely flies, it's a brilliant boat. Look forward to showing you this on a lot more boats very soon. Thanks a lot.